What I've got here is a portable soccer goal for training and practice purposes. So we're gonna put this together and see what it looks like, see how easily it goes together. First time I'm taking it out of the box. Let's check it out. So that was the assembly. It wasn't hard at all. You just fold out the base and extend out the telescoping arms, and that creates the base. And then you just assemble the 4 poles and attach the net to it, and that's all there is to it. The accessories that this thing comes with is obviously you have the net itself. There is a nice agility ladder, which these are always fun if you've ever run agility. It's a love-hate thing where you can apparently I need to work my agility. Anyway, you get the idea if you've done agility drills with agility ladder. It comes with a little bag to put the agility ladder in, and it comes with a bigger bag to put the whole goal system in once you do break it down and get all the poles broke down and put back together. Then this will hold everything for easy transport. It's great for practices. As you can see, it's pretty good size net here. There are some U stakes that are supposed to come with it that will allow you to stake it in the ground. I don't know if they fell out of my box during shipping because they weren't in there. There was kind of a hole in the end of the box, so they might have fallen out. Make sure those are in there, but it still should be fine. So let's try it out. So as you can see, even without it being staked down, it's holding very steady, very firm when I kick that ball into that net. If you're looking for a good portable soccer net, I'd check this one out.